Hey guys, so I am just trying to pull out this fuel sender. It took me a couple of days. It was pretty difficult, but I've went on Google and I found this a really good way, which is this tool right here. It's pretty much a packer gapped up through these guys. Nice invention, very handy. Such their YouTube video, I'll link that on there as well so you understand a bit more better, but I'm going to be a bit more close-ups understanding on how it works. So if I've got an Skyline 4-door, you can do 2-door, probably much the same thing I think. But I took everything at the back out, it's pretty much all out. And then what I did as well, I took the back seats out, and makes it a lot easier getting in here, is you've got this back plate, this one right here, which sits here. So you remove that, and then you can get into there a lot easier. Like a lot easier. And obviously my car's a bit aftermarket, or a lot aftermarket, so there's a lot of differences, but pretty much remove the cap. It's plain and simple. You remove it, and then put it on the side like that, pretty much. Then you got to get your hands in there. So I don't recommend going in this way. I've tried it. It's just too hard to get in. Like, this is good to get in. It's nice and close for rewiring or whatever you need. But I don't recommend it. Like, the way I did it to get it off pretty easily with the tool is I literally just went this way. I actually sat in there. So watch, I'll actually go in there. Pretty simple. Go in there. Lay back down, go sideways, and then all you do, move this on the side. Obviously if you can remove the whole thing, that'll be good, but mine's a little bit aftermarket, so you're not going to be able to do that. And then you just got to get in there pretty much. So there's a bracket right there, see that bracket? See that bracket there on the right there? You can just see it. So what that is here, what you need to do is you need to put, well, I'll show you. It's too hard to show you. Right, I'm out. So to actually do it, yeah, this is how it sits exactly. Like how you just seen it. It was like literally like that, yeah. Unclip probably this one, that one, and leave this one connected so it doesn't fall down into the tank, just in case. That's what I did. And then what I did then, yeah, is your hand is gonna be, let's just say here, yeah? So you shove your hand, this is where the camera is, where the hole is, pretty much. A little bit more back. So you shove your hand in there, you have it like this, and what you do here is you don't put it underneath. So the bracket, the metal bracket that I just shown a video of, it's underneath here from this side. And it comes in from here. You don't want it to go underneath. You want it to go on top. So it goes like that, above, between the plastic and the metal, pretty much. It's really difficult because you can't actually get your hand in there because the bracket, the other bracket, the main one, is like flush. It's very hard to get in there. So you need to like, you actually, don't be scared, you have to like bend it, like bend this back at the same time and do this pretty much. And you gotta try bend it back so you can get it in there and in between the metal and the plastic. It's literally the only way. I've done it like this, obviously does nothing. I was there for an hour doing this and it was just a nightmare. Like, I was just like, yeah, wow. So yeah, don't do that. I'm just, yeah, showing you now a lot easier. You gotta like bend this and then go in like that. And that's the only way you can do it. Pretty simple, very easy. As soon as I've done that, yeah, I just pulled it out, it just smacked out. Because it's all plastic, it just slides out like easy. Very simple. And yeah, this is for an R34. Yeah, good luck guys, because it was very fun. But if you do that exactly how I said, mate, you wouldn't have a problem. But obviously at the start, you need to understand how that and the bracket works, which you'd see in the video, which is a lot closer up with the bracket off on the bench. So yeah, good luck guys.